ambitious and creative design made entirely from recycled materials. Using an empty rice sack as the base, it incorporates disposable spoons, paper cups, newspaper, straws, and used magazine to create a visually striking childhood. The costume reflects a commitment to sustainability, transforming everyday waste into a unique and artistic representation of environmental guardianship. Alright, let us hear our first contestant, Miss Gretel C. Hapasilan, the Green Guardian of the Old Elementary School.
A round of applause, please. Now moving on to our second contestant, Zephaniah Eli. The Earth Defender costume is an innovative and sustainable design crafted from recycled materials. Using a dense sack of rice as the foundation. It features shells, scratch papers, rope, and paper plates to create a powerful and eco-friendly representation of environmental protection. And the costume symbolizes the strength and resilience needed to defend the earth, turning everyday discarded items into a bold statement of sustainability and creativity. Let's give it to Zephaniah and Lonnie Discarded.
Alright, for our contestant number 3, Mary Michael, our eco worker from Grenoble Elementary School. The eco worker costume is striking and sustainable design crafted from recycled materials. Made using a sack of rice, shells, rope, and paper plates, it represents a fierce protector of the earth. The combination of these everyday items highlights the importance of reusing and repurposing waste, creating a visually powerful statement that embodies the spirit of environmental stewardship and resilience. Once again, let's give it up to contestant number 2.
Of the Earth of Science and Technology School. This costume is a fitting, mermaid-inspired creation with an ethereal oceanic vibe. The dress is flowing layers made of rice sack in shades of blue and green, resembling, of course, the ocean waves. The body is detailed with shell-like embellishments made of ground cap, disposable utensils, and other recyclable materials, giving it a texture of underwater feel. The cascading design at the bottom decorated with what look like pebbles, shells, or recycled elements mimics the looks of coral reefs or sea stone. The headpiece complements the outfit beautifully. It has delicate wings-like extensions and sea-inspired details with hints of blue silver. This costume symbolizes the beauty of the ocean, importance of protecting marine life. Ladies and gentlemen, our Eco Mermaid of the Earth, Alia Marie Gumula.
Bungan Elementary School. This gown is stunning, embodiment of creativity and sustainability, crafted from a diverse blend of recycled materials that would otherwise be discarded. Each element of this unique piece tells a story of transformation. The sturdy texture of rice and peat sacks repurposed into a surprisingly elegant fabric. The dress featured unique incorporating old red foam that had been shaped into sculptural elements and emolumenta. Vibrant plastic wrappers and drinking straws woven to add bold, colorful accents. So powdered packaging cleverly integrated to create an intriguing texture, and a simple, everyday drinking cups meticulously arranged to add an unexpected yet striking touch. This gown not only reimagined
or Mother Nature, symbolizing the nurturing spirit of mothers. The gown center, a portrait of a woman, represents all mothers, while the sculpted moon at the top, made from soft drink cups, captures the celestial beauty of the night. At the back of the moon represents our sun, often representing something constant, essential, and of course life-giving. Just like the sun provides light, warmth, and energy to sustain life, the stars crafted from soft drinks cups shine as a metaphor for mothers as our guiding light. Ilaw ng tahanan. The gown combinations of blue during the night sky and yellow during the day, colors fashioned from rice sacks evokes an earthy, rustic charm grounded on peace and profound connections to nature. With each carefully chosen element, this eco-conscious creation not only
Bungan Elementary School. Prepare to be amazed as we bring sustainability to the runway. Spreading with confidence, Nina Chanel G and Matt showcases an avant-garde crafted from our corpus rice sack. Proves that passion and sustainability can go hand in hand. This stunning ensemble is not just eco-friendly, but also innovative. Its design blends functionality with passion, featuring intricate patterns that celebrate the artistry of cycling. What is the highlight? Well, it is the dynamic, adjustable element that allows the garment to shift seamlessly upward and downward, transforming the look with every style. Complementing this unique creation is the unique headdress, symbolizing the beauty and resilience of our planet. Together, they redefine fashion. Wow, what is fashion? Proving that grace is brilliant.
So, again, we're just going to skip to our ninth contestant. Monique Laraga, the goddess of mermaid. From Glasak Elementary School. This costume is made from rice sacks, rubber mat, plastic, and other recyclable materials. The mermaid tail is made from rice sack, and the scale made from rubber mat. The corals are made from water bottles. They shows the goddess of mermaid costume because she is the guardian that keeps the ocean beauty and intact. Overall, this eco-friendly costume celebrates creativity and sustainability.